Allie Peters here with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. I am standing in our brand new listing at 5166 Leduc Drive in Castle Pines Village of Castle Rock, Colorado. This magnificent ranch duplex is 4 beds, 3 baths, 3,600 square feet finished, and features incredible lakeside views, a stunning primary suite, and high-end features throughout. Let's go take a look. Not only is this a beautiful home, but Castle Pines Village is an exceptional residential community where you can both enjoy nature and first-class amenities like a fitness center, tennis courts, pools, parks, trails, and security. It's an absolutely wonderful place to live, and this is a home you do not want to miss out on. So if you would like to come see it for yourself, you can call me for a private showing. Hope to see you soon.